Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on WhatsApp web. So let's start. WhatsApp web is the desktop application for WhatsApp to use on a Windows or Mac platform. You can easily download it from the Mac App Store or Windows. This is the WhatsApp web home screen. On the left hand side you will see all of your conversation. If you open a conversation, it will open on the right hand side. Now let's move on. Tap on the downward arrow icon at the top of the screen and go to Settings. Now tap on Theme. Light will be selected by default. Now select Dark and then tap OK. And dark mode will be enabled. But if your system is on dark mode, then you can also select System Default. And that's how you can enable dark mode on WhatsApp web. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.